Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I'm Mr. Shambeg, your quant educator, and today I will discuss a very important segment from your quant section. And the name of this segment is simplification. You can clearly see that. Okay. So the important thing is that we have to work very effectively. Look, the question you will face in your examination will be of three types. One is the easy one, the second one is the moderate one, and the third one is the lengthy one. You have to find moderate and lengthy questions, otherwise you might not be able to solve the question within a time. Okay. So let's start this topic, and everyone must like this video and must share this with your friends so we can have a competitive pool. Okay, first of all, whoever is there, yes, it will be SBI PO exam. It will be based on SBI PO exam for prelims. Okay, it will be based for SBI PO prelims examination. Okay, yes, Amaya, yes, it will be absolutely what happened with an entry app. You can watch my videos on YouTube. Banking 2.0. All right, Banking 2.0. You can watch it. All right. I think your network might have some issue, so you can watch this video on Banking 2.0. All right. So let's start this session with some grueling questions. There are several types of questions. One is the lengthy, easy, and a moderate level question. So I'll tell you how to solve within a minute. Here comes the first question. Look at this. How you are going to solve this question? You'll clearly see that it is 15625% of question mark is equal to 125 of 3375 by 40. Now tell me who will solve this question first. Okay, just try to solve this. Amaya, Amal, both of you. Look, how you are going to solve this question. Just start with this one and tell me the answer of this question correctly. And guys, must share this video. You have to share this video so we can have a competitive pool, because if we have a competitive pool, we can generate or we can get more exposure. Okay, now you must share this, and if you're getting a good method, you must like it as well. Look at this. भाई इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कीजिए. देखिए क्या है 15625 divided by 100. Okay, because if you withdraw percentage, you will drop down 100. Off means multiplication. All right, off means multiplication. Now look at this. Let's say x is 125 into 3375 divided by 40. Now you know that this number is what? This number is 125 square. So that means this 125 will be eliminated with the 125. That means we have been left with only 125 divided by 100. X is equal to 3375 divided by 40. Now you'll see that it will become 5 by 4. So you can clearly solve this. 5 2 5 6 5 7 5 5. Okay, now 5 what 1 5 3 55. Now we have been left with 135 by 2. That means 67.5 will be the answer for what? This question. Guys, you must share this video so we can. Yes, absolutely, Deepa, absolutely correct. Amaya, are you there? Amal. So I believe everyone have got this question easily. Now let's move on. If you have got the method correctly, you can like this video and must share it as well. So let's move on with the next question. Here comes the next question. I bet you can solve this question orally. Now tell me, Deepa, tell me this answer within a minute so we can have a competition. Solve this one, guys, solve this. It's an important session. You must remember that it is the simplification is the only easy segment where you cannot afford to lose any of the time. So if you don't want to lose any of the time, you must watch this session to get the method of solving this easy segment within minute. Look at this. You don't have to write down everything. It's 11% means 11 by 100 of x. Alright, question mark means x. You can suppose it. 121% means 121 divided by 100 into 29. So you can clearly see that this 100 will be eliminated. Now you have been left with only 11. So x is equal to 29 into 11. Now multiply it. 11 9s are 99, 11 2s are 22 and 22 9 31. So your option C will be the correct one. Now Deepa, have you got the solution? Did you get that? Anyone having any difficulty? Guys, must, yes, absolutely, Deepa, very good. Anyone else who's good enough to solve this easy question within time? Look, you don't have to write down all this detail. Why? Because you know that it is a multiple of 121 is a multiple of 11. So you can clearly eliminate 121 with 11 times, and you know that it is of 11 square. So that means you'll be left with only 11. So 11 into 29, because this percentage is of both sides and it will be eliminated. Very good, Jerry. Now next question. Here comes the next question. How you are going to solve this question? Now tell me. It will be split in two parts. Look at this. Now you will clearly see that 214 divided by 4 minus 312 divided by 12, because according to board mass rule, remember board mass, in the board mass rule you always solve bracket first, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Alright, now it is equal to x by 4. Now how we are going to solve this question? Look, you can eliminate this part. You can eliminate this 4, 3 and 1. So we have been left with 214 as a whole number. Now we will subtract 104 from 214 because we have been left with. Now we have got 110 as the correct answer. That means option B. Guys, have you got the concept? Look, if you're going with the simple way, you will start solving 214 divided by 4. Why? Because you'll see that both of them are even number, but 214 is not completely divisible by 4. How you are going to check it? You will check only last two digit. If last two digit of a particular number is divisible by 4, that means the whole number will be divisible by 4. Very good, Jerry. Now you are solving within a time. So if you're solving within a time and if you're liking this, then you can like the video as well. Okay, and you must share it with your friends. Here comes the next question. Now solve this one. I want everyone to solve this question within minutes. So come on guys, solve this. 1472 divided by 23 is equal to x by 100 into 80. Now 4 5. Now how you are going to solve this one? Guys, solve this and tell me the answer of this question. Tell me the answer of this question. It is an important one. Good evening, Nasreen. It's been long since you have seen. Where have you been? Guys, you have to subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Why? Because if you're pressing the bell icon, you will always be getting a pop-up, or you can say notification, of the upcoming video. All right. Okay. Look at this, how you are going to solve this one. Come on guys, you have to solve it by dividing 1472 with 23. How? Look at this, 23 6 are what? 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12 and 13. That means 138. So that means it will go a completely 64 times. Okay, and 4 by 5 of x have been left. So 64 is the square of what? Very good, Deepa, very good. 4 by 5 x, that means the value of x will arise as 10. And so option A is the correct one. Okay, everyone must recognize it and must solve. Why I am emphasizing this? Because you will always practice on the hard question, while the prelims examination is for easy questions. Okay, and it's not for judging your talent. They just want you to clear this or qualify this exam to move to the mains level, and then they will judge you on the basis of your knowledge. Okay, so you have to make your easy portion strong. Why? Because if you're losing your easy section, that means you will lose the whole examination. Next question. No, Jerry, 10 is the correct answer. Look at this, 7942. Okay, 7942 will be divided by 4 is equal to 84 divided by, now what you will do, you will I will explain everything, don't worry Nasreen, I'll explain. Just focus on this question. Into, so 441 is the square of 21, alright, into x by 100 into 25. Now I can simply write down x by 4. Why? Because I know that this 25 will eliminate 100 by 4 times. Okay, now when you see that it was eliminate 100 by 4 times, that means this 21 and 4 will combine, and the whole 21 4 is 84. So this 84 will be eliminated completely. Now you have been left with only this portion. So how can you solve this portion? Look at this, 19 4s are 76, 8 and 5.5. Okay, so 1985.5 will be the correct answer. You can ask any of the doubt. Very good, Deepa, very good. Jerry, now Nasreen, now tell me, have you got this question correctly? Guys, you must look at this question and must solve this question within a fraction of time, because I'm telling you the method you need to learn. Just watch it again. The question was written as 7942 divided by 4 is equal to 84 by 441. So you will directly write down 21. Why 21? Because it is the square of 21. So if you put square of 21 here, the square root will generate and it will take out the 21. And this x question mark means x, so x by 100 into 25. You don't have to write the whole term. Why? Because you know that 25 by 100 will be equal to 1 by 4. Now this 21 and 4 will combine and eliminate this 84. So you have been left with only this portion, and after solving this portion you will be getting the option B as the correct one. So guys, if you like it, if you have done it, you must like this session. Okay, now solve this question, solve the next question. Okay, now solve this one. Here I will teach you how to solve the big, or you can say 5-digit number in a square root. Look at this. You know that how you are going to choose it. You have to look at the unit digit 1, and you know that 1 arises only on one square and 9 square. Okay, 1 on the unit will arise only on 1 square, either on 1 square or on 9 square. So whichever the number will be, its unit must have a unit digit of either 1 or 9. So I have bought two possibility. Okay, now what will you do? According to square root law, we will leave the last two digit, and after that we have been left with only 533. So now we will decide 533 have arrived between which square. So how can we figure out? We know that it has been arrived, its range will be in between what? Its range will be in, you have to remember that it is a very good question. Now I want all of you to solve it. Its range will become as 23 and 24, because 23 square will be 529 and 24 square will be 576. So 533 is more near to 23. That means either this number, this whole number will be a square of 231 or 239. Okay, so we know that this 23 square, if 533 is near to 23 square, that means the 231 will be the square of this square root. Okay, now we will solve this one. Like, we will take the unit digit, and we know that 6 arises only on 4, either on 4 square or on 6 square. So either the unit will come as 4 or 6. So we will leave these two digits. Now we know that it comes as either 15 or 16. Now we will always take the smaller number. Okay, now when we multiply 16 with 15, we will know 15 240. So that means 243 is greater. That means the 156 will arrive. Now when you solve, when you take the difference between 231 and 156, you will be getting the answer as 75. So I hope you have understood this question. Did you get the concept? Guys, if you have got the concept, must like this session. It's an important one. Very good, Deepa, very good. But it was a tricky one and it was a lengthy one. You need to figure out the method of solving this question. And here I am telling you the method of solving this question. Okay. Here comes the next one. Now solve this one in an efficient manner. Guys, solve this. It's an important question. Deepa, Nasreen, are you there? Jerry. Okay. 5481 divided by 9. Very good, Santu. Minus 648 look, you can write down this 3 by 24 as 1 by 8. Why? Because you don't have to write down 3 by 24. You know that this 24 will be eliminated with 3. Now 8 8s are 64 and 8 1s are. Now when we solve 9 6 are 54 and 9 9s are. So from 6 to 9 we have to eliminate 81. That means we have been left with only 528. Look at the method. I am not solving the complete question. I am just focusing on the elimination of steps. So you need to focus on elimination of steps as well. Guys, if you're getting the concept of this simplification portion, you must like this video and must share this one as well with your friends. Okay, so we can have a competitive level. Guys, one thing, remember that if you are competing well, that means you are focusing very well. Very good, Vidya. Vidya was the first one. Vidya Shri Vijayan. Deepak, are you there? Jerry, Soji, Deepa Sugatan. Okay, I believe all of you have done it. So let's move on to the next question. Very good, Jerry, very good. Now solve this one. Look at the numbers. Look at these numbers. These are the big numbers. Now how can you solve it? Again, split it in two parts. That means 34888 divided by 56 plus 21024 divided by 32 is equal to 20x. Let's suppose the value of question mark as x. Guys, must share this video And don't forget to subscribe this channel as well. Why? Because we will keep we will keep getting all the videos like this. Okay, very good, Deepak. Now solve this one. I want everyone to solve this question and tell me the answer correctly. I want all of you to solve this one. I want all of you to solve this one within a minute. I want you to be fast. I want you to be sharp. Okay. Now tell me what will be the answer. What will be the correct answer of this question? I'm giving you only 1 minute, and after that I'll start solving. Okay. Now guys, must share this video, and don't forget to join the session every time. Okay, now let's solve it. Now you know that this is an important one. Now how you are going to solve it? You know that it will be split in 8 into 7, and it will be split in 8 into 4. Now we will start with 7. So 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63, 7 8s are 56, 7 4s are. Now it is clear that it will be eliminated. 8 6 are 48, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. Now again solve this one. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are. Now 8 6 are 48, 8 6 are 48, 8 5s are 48, 7s are. That means 623 will be added with 657. Now we have got 1280. So 1280, and it is equal to 20. That means we have been left with 64. So your correct answer of the value of x is 64. Now look at this question. How I have solved this question. Just watch the method, because the method I'm telling you, you will not get anywhere. Okay, so you must have a look at the method. Just keep watching the method. Yes, nice. Yes, nice. Charty, very good. Is it your real name? Very good. But remember that I have solved it within a fraction. No, Deepa, no. Vidya is correct. Ayushi is correct. Very good. So if you have all got the concept, guys, just like the video and just share it. Okay. Now, next question. Solve this one. I want all of you to solve this question. How you are going to solve this? Look at this. Which one you will solve first? Will you solve this 2 number first, or will you solve this 2 number first, and then the combination of these two will be solved with the larger number? How you will solve? Tell me how you are going to solve this one. Very good, Rishikesh. Now tell me tell me how you are going to solve this question. Look at this. I will give you only 20 to 30 seconds, and after that I'll start solving. Okay, so remember that. I want all of you to solve this question, and then I'll teach you the shortcut method. Okay, just solve it, because you can solve this question within fully solving the whole number. How I will tell you. Okay, don't worry about it. I will tell you, I'll teach you. Look at this. I will solve these two numbers first. Why? Because I know that this minus minus will make these two numbers add. How? 4 3 2 1 6 will be added with 1 2 3 4. Very good. But you don't have to solve the whole question. Now look at this. It will become 50. Okay. So 444 50, and the larger number has been given as 73250. Now we know that this 50 will be eliminated, and the last 2 digit will arrive as 00. Now we don't need to solve these 3-digit number. Okay, why? Because we know that this 34 will always go to the left side and will add on this 2 number. Okay, this 2 zeros, and when you add anything in the 0, the number will remain intact. Okay, that means this 34 will arrive at the last 2 digit. So you have to go to the option and look at the option. Only one option has the last 2 digit, or as 34. So what will you do? You will not solve the whole question and just go to your instinct and click on the option A. Okay, now tell me, did you get the concept? Very good, everyone is clear. The question was easy, but you will get stuck in the examiner's clever thought. The examiner thought that you will solve the whole number, and its motive is its only it's his only motive is to make your time waste. Now you have wasted the time, but you have solved it, and you will come out of the examination hall and you say, yeah, I have solved it. But you don't know that you have wasted your time in this question. Okay, so watch my method and watch it clearly, all right, and then solve it according to it. Nobody is watching your solution, everybody is interested in your option. Okay, all right, let's go. Not yet, Vinay, because you won't be able to submit your complete graduation certificate till the interview time. Okay, so that would be eligible. Now solve this one. Now guys, solve this one. 5232 multiplied by 7 by 6. It is the only lengthy question. You might not be able to get any way to solve this one. Okay, 3 by 7. Now solve it according to this situation. Guys, if you got the method, you must like this video. Okay, solve this one. Guys, solve this one efficiently. Now tell me the answer. Everyone, Naisi, Deepak, Manasa, Deepa, Vidya, Jerry, Rashikesh, Soji, everyone is contributing. Very good. Everyone is looking very good. So just solve this one, guys. Just solve this one. I want all of you to give me the answer of this question. I want all of you to give me the answer of this question. You can clearly see that you can solve this question easily. Okay, look at this. Look at this. When you solve this one, 6 8s are 48. Okay, 6 8s are 48, and it has been left with 6 7s are 42, 6 2. So 872 multiplies by 7. Plus, now when you solve this one, you'll see that you've been left with, very good, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, and 5 4s are, that means 2 2 4 multiplies by 3 minus. Now when you solve this one, 7 3s are 21. Very good, Vinay, very good. 7 are 21, 7 3s are, so 33 into 3. Now when you solve this one, look at this, 7 2s are 14, 3 4s are 12. So I am writing only unit digit. 3 3s are 9. Okay, look at this, 4 plus 2 6. Okay, now when you solve this one, 6 16, and when you subtract 16 from 9, you have been left with only unit digit of 7, and the only option arises where its unit digit is 7 is option D. So you don't have to solve these kind of questions fully. Remember this. Very good, Naisi, Deepa, Jerry, Vinay, Soji. Look, solving the question is not important at the moment, because if you're not watching my method clearly, you might not be able to learn in the examination, because I am telling you the mistake you have to prevent. All right, आपको mistake prevent करनी है. You have to prevent that mistake, otherwise you will keep going and you will keep doing the same mistake, and that would be fatal for you. Now let's move on to the next question. Now let's solve this one. Here, 6 square plus 256 divided by 4 minus x square plus square root of 625 is equal to 25. Now solve this question without using pen. How you can solve this question? Tell me, guys. Come on, guys. I want all of you to solve this one within time. Very good. How came 16? Where? Look, 4 plus 2 is 6, and when you subtract 9 from 6, you are bound to take a borrow. Okay, so if you're taking borrow, that borrow will be of 10, and when you subtract 9 from 16, that means 7 will arrive as unit digit. Okay, yes, we know. Very good. Yes, Deepak. Now solve this one. Don't worry, I'll clear every doubt. Okay, and if you like this session, if you're If you think you are gaining something, guys, must share and like this video, okay? Now I want all of you to solve. Very good, Deep. Vinay. Now look at this. This is the square of 25. That means the value of square root of 25 will arrive as 25. So the 25 will be eliminated and this will 64. So that means 36 and 64 will be added and make it 100, and that has to be equal to x square. That means the value of x arrived as 10. Very good, Vindhya. So G, Deepa, Vinay, Deepak, nice C. Very good. I want all of you to work hard and I want all of you to get success. No, Ayushi, no, it was 10. Just solve, just watch the solution. Now solve this one. I want all of you to solve it within time. I want all of you. 25% of 480 plus 450% of 40 is equal to x square minus 100. Now solve this one. How you are going to solve this one? Guys, tell me the answer of this question. And if you're getting the concept, must share and like this video. 20. Okay, Vinay. Very good. Very fast. Look at this. This 25. You have to remember the fraction value of all the percentages. Okay. Fraction value of all the percentage. Look at this. 25% is equivalent to 1 by 4. And off means multiply. So 480 plus 450 divided by 100 multiplies by 40 is equal to x square minus 100. Now when you solve this one, you will see that 120 plus what? 180 equals to x square minus 100. So x square, this 2 will become 300 and the 100 will also be added in it. So x square is equal to 400. So the value of x arrived as 20. Very good. Everyone who has given me the answer as 20 will be the quick. Jerry, Nicey, Vidya, Deepa, Ayushi. Very good. Very good. Very good. Absolutely spot on. Proud of you. So I want all of you to become officers in the bank. Now solve this one. I want all of you to solve this question without using pen. Okay. Now guys, solve this one. Come on, I want all of you to solve this one without using the pen. Very good, Deepak. But late than sorry. Okay. So solve this one. Look at this. 352 divided by 32 into 11 plus 23 into 48 divided by 552 is equal to fifth root of x. Now tell me the answer, guys. Tell me. Come on, I want all of you to tell me the answer. Anyone who is having any difficulty, guys, must like this session. Okay. At least we deserve like that. And share it as well because I want all of you to get competitiveness. Okay. Look at this. When you solve this one, the whole number will be completely divisible. 11 3s are 33, 11 2s are 22. So this 32 will be eliminated completely. That means only one will arrive. Now when you solve this one, 23 2s are 46, 23 4s are 92 because 9 will be left and it will be added with 2, so it will become 92. Now 24 2s are, so 1 plus 2 3 is equal to cube root of x, sorry, fifth root of x. That means the value of x arrived as 3 to the power 5. So 3 to the power 5 is nothing but 243. Now tell me, very good, Deepa. Suhas is the new entrant and I believe very good. Guys, keep sharing this video, keep sharing. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, okay? Because yes, after subscribing, just press the bell icon, because if you press the bell icon, you will keep getting notification on the upcoming videos, okay, of the upcoming video. Very good, Vinay, very good. Why late? Alright, देखिए बहुत ध्यान से समझिए, आपको तरीका सीखना है, आप फोकस तरीके पे करेंगे. Method is more important in this class. and it's an important class for SBI PO prelims examination. Not only just SBI PO, IBPS PO will also be generated. Very good. No, Swati, option B will be the correct. Now solve this one. I want all of you to solve this question. Now guys, solve this question. 15625 multiplies by 6250 divided by 5 to the power 4 plus 2704 minus of x is equal to cube root of 2197 cube root multiplies by 100. Now how you are going to solve this question? Come on, solve this. It is not 54, it is 5 to the power 4. Remember, okay, remember it's not 54, it's 5 to the power 4. Okay, and you know that 5 to the power 4 is nothing but 625. That means it will eliminate the whole 6250 number 10 times. Okay, now you know that it is the complete square of 125. That means we will get 1250 plus. Now when you solve the whole square root number, I remember everything, so I know that it is the square of 52 minus of x, and it is the cube of 13 into 100. So 1300 will be generated from here, the whole number. Now how we are going to solve this? Now we will get 1302 minus x is equal to 1300. That means the value of x will arrive as 2. So your option D will be the correct. If you remember every value of square, so I remember the square till 100. Let's suppose I remember the square till 100. I can solve the question easily. If you don't remember, you might not be able to solve it. Very good, Swati. Very good, Vinay. Very good, Nicey. Everyone, guys keep liking. Okay, very good, very good. The session is going very well. I believe you are doing very well, and you're doing hard work, and you're practicing very well because your examination is near. Okay, I believe most of you have already filled the NTPC exam, so that means our NTPC exam will also conduct from 28th of December. So remember one thing, it will be a good practice for all the exams, okay, especially the banking examination. All right, let's go. Now solve this question. I want all of you to solve this question within a fraction of time. How you are going to solve it? 8 whole 7 by 5 plus 11 whole 3 by 10 plus 7 whole 7 by 20, 28 whole x by 40. Okay, now tell me the answer of this question. I want all of you to tell me the answer. Guys must share this one. Come on guys, answer me this question. It is a very important question, and I'll teach you how to solve this mixed fraction question within a fraction of time. You can clearly see that in mixed fraction, let's say that the generalized term is n whole p by q. This p has to be smaller than q. Remember that this p has to be. So if it is not, what will you do? You will take one more time, because one more time it will go. So it will become 9 whole 2 by 5. Okay, this number can be written as 9 whole 2 by 5, because it will, if you take it in the fraction, okay, it will become 47 by 5. Now the same number will be generated as 9 whole 2 by 5. Okay, let me solve it. So 9 whole 2 by 5, 11 whole 3 by 10 plus 7 whole 7 by 20 equals to 28 whole x by 40. Now you know that this whole number will be added. Okay, 9 7 16 16 and 11 27, and this 28 will be eliminated. Okay, so only minus 1 will be left, and the LCM of 5 10 and 20 will be generated as 20. So 5 4s are 4 2s are 8. Very good. Let me check. Don't worry, I'll give you every answer. 10 by that means 6 plus 7 equals to x by 40. Now, when you look at this, 8, 6, 14, 14, 7, 21. So 1 minus 1, 21 by 20 is equal to x by 40. Okay. Now, it will come as 1 by 20 is equal to x by 40. So your final answer will be generated as 2. Remember that. Very good. No Jerry, Nicey, Vinay, Soji, everybody has gone wrong. The answer is 2. Very good, Vidya. Deepak, look at my solution. Look at this. If you're getting my solution, I believe you can solve any of the question. Are you getting it? Watch my solution. I have solved this question and the answer arrived as 2. Guys, it was a piece of cake. You just need to understand the concept. Okay. So I believe all of you have got the concept. Now tell me with Deepak, Nicey, Vinay, Soji, Deepak and yes. Alright. I think all of you have got it. Now the next question. Now tell me the answer of this question. Now the question is getting a bit of tricky. Okay. Because I will be putting lots of mixed fractions here. Look at this. Here is 40% and here is 12.5%. So 40% is nothing but 2 by 5. Remember, 40 by 100 will always come as 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of 24 square minus x plus 2. Okay, plus you can write down this square root of 529 as 23 because you know that it's the square of 23. And you have to know the value of 12 whole 1 by 2% or 12.5%. Both of them are equivalent. So 12.5% is equivalent to 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 into 320 is equal to 203. Okay. Now 2 by 5, this will become 576 minus x minus 2. That means 574 minus x plus 23 minus, it will come as 40, 203. You know that the value of 23 minus 40 will be minus 17. That means this 17 will be added to 203 to make it 220. So 220 equals to 2 by 5, 574 minus x. That means this 574 minus x equals to 550. That means we have been left with the answer as 24. So we will be getting the value of x as 24. Are you getting this concept? Because I believe I have solved this question first. Now guys, tell me, did you get the concept? Very good, Vinay. Very good, very good. Absolutely spot on, guys. Must share and like this session so we will keep motivating ourselves. Very good, Vidya. If you're getting the concept, must like and share. All we need is your like and share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Very good, very good. I think everyone is doing hard work, and I believe all of you who are present here must get selection. Okay, because that would be very, very good for us and for you as well, because we are working very hard to take you through the line. If you're not working hard, that means you are only blame yourself. Okay, you just need to understand that you have to work hard, and we will provide each and everything, every recipe for the selection purpose. Sure. It will be in the description of this video. Okay, so don't worry about it. You can go to Entri app and download it. Now solve this one. 66.66, that means 16 whole 2 by 3% of 480 plus 8.33, that means 8 whole 1 by 3% of 1200 minus x is equal to 12.5, that means 12 whole 1 by 2% of 1280. Now tell me the answer of this question. Come on guys, I want all of you to give me the answer of this question. Sure. Sure, I have taught you on the Entri app. You can watch all my videos on the Entri app, Deepak. I have given you everything. In fact, when I was solving the percentage segment, I have given you the fraction segment as well. So you can watch it. Look, the level will be higher, but the method you will be getting will be much, much more beneficial. Okay? Now tell me, now tell me the answer of this question. Come on, guys. It will be important session. Look, the value of 16 whole 2 by 3% will be as 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 480 plus. So the value of 8 whole 1 by 3 will become as 1 by 12 minus x is equal to, and this value will be generated as 1 by 8. Now you know that this will become 100 and this will become 80. So the combination will become 180 minus x, and 8 ones are 8 and 8 6 are, so it will become 160. That means the value of x will be as 20. So your option A will be the correct one. Deepa, nicey, very well. You're contributing very well. I believe all of you will get selection. I am confident, because the way you are solving the quicker you are solving this segment, I believe you can get selection. But if you don't distract your mind, if you keep distracting your mind, you might be in trouble. So just focus on what is present. Okay, remember everything. Very good, SKP and Vidya, everything superb. Now the next question. Now tell me how you are going to solve this question. Whoever gave me the answer first, I believe must have a knowledge on this question as well. 9 to the power 4 plus 729 plus 3 to the power 4. Tell me how you are going to solve this one. I want the method. I want all of you to tell me how you are going to solve this one. Come on guys, tell me. It will be an interesting session. Just remember one thing, you have to get the concept clear. If you're getting the concept, you can solve any of the question. Now tell me, what is the answer? Okay, look at this, how you are going to solve it. Here it is given in the lowest form, the prime factor. Cube of 3, wrong. It won't be cube of 3. It will be what? 3 to the 5. It will be 3 to the power 6. Very good, nicely. And it will be 3 to the power 8. Now when you take the common 3 to the power 4, it has been left with 3 to the power 4. It has been left with 3 to the power 2. It has been left with 1. And you know the sum of these numbers will be 91. So 91 will be eliminated and the final answer is 3 to the power 4. Very good. Have you solved it like me? Like I have done that? Can you match it? Now tell me, who solved this question like I have solved it? Tell me. Come on guys. SKP, correct it. Now tell me who solved it like me. Very good, Deepa, very good. But I want you to tell me the method you have solved, because the method is important. If you're not solving it in my way, that means you're getting problem. So you need to learn the concept. Very good, Vinay, very good. Because you don't have to solve 9 to the power 4, because you know that 9 is also a multiple of 3. Very good, nicely, very good. So I believe all of you capable of tackling such questions within fraction of time, but you know that you have to Make your mind calm. Very good. Now tell me the answer of this one. 4096 divided by 4 cube plus 256 plus x is equal to 6561. Now tell me. Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good, Vinay. I think you all are organized. You just need a practice, and I'll keep giving you practice on this channel. So don't forget to join me in every session. I will take classes on 4th and 7th December as well. So you have to be there. Okay, I want all of you to promise me that you will be there. And the simplification portion, your simplification portion will be done. Now tell me the answer of this. When you convert it in 444, you know that this one will be solved like this. This one will be solved like this. 4 2s are 8, 4, 8. Okay, 4, just a minute. Okay, so 4 5s are 20, 4 6, and it will become 4 6 64. Okay, so 64 plus 16 plus x is equal to, what is this? Tell me. Option 1. Okay, let me check. Tell me the answer of this one, guys, because the question I am telling will be an important, and this will make the sum as what? It will become 70 and 80. 80 plus x equals to, what is the value of this? First, okay, so option 2. I think you are doing something wrong. What is the square root of 6561? Guys, tell me. Oh, so the value is 1. Yes, yes, that would be correct. That would be correct. Yes, the option D will be the correct one because it is the square of 79. Okay, when you see that, you know that we will add something like this. Okay, so you can solve it in an efficient manner. Very good. I believe all of you to get the answer correctly. Very good. Sorry, 81. It would be 81. 81. Yes. Option A. 5. Deepa, you're saying 5. Let me check. I don't think so. It will arrive as 5. Look, 1 and 9. So you leave this and you know that 8 and 9. So it will be 81. So 81 is the number of 6571. That means the value of x will arrive as 1. So your option D will be the correct. Check, Deepa Sugatan, check. Very good. Everyone is clear. Now tell me the answer of this one. 4 5 into 14 plus 25 into 8 plus x equals to 30. Now tell me the answer of this one. Now you know that it will become 14 5s are 70, 14 4s are 56, 56 and 7 63 plus 25 8s are 200 plus x. So you know that the sum of these number will generate as what? 830, and the value of x must have 70 to get the whole number 900, because if you take the square on both sides, the square of 30 will come as 900. So the sum has to come as 900. That means the answer would be C. Very good, winner. Very good. Guys, very good. Very good, Deepa. Very good, Vinay. All of you are working very hard and I'm proud of you. The way you keep motivating yourself, the way you keep involved in this session, the way you constantly involved in this session, I must say that I'm proud of you. And if you got the whole session correctly, you must like this video at once. Very good, Vidya. Very good, Deepa. Very good, Abhi. Very good, Vinay. Very good, Nicey. And Deepa and Rahul. Yes, SKP, Soji. All of you. Swati Upadhyay. Absolutely. Yes, Rahul, the first question, the answer of the earlier question was 1. But the answer of this question will become as 70. That means option C. Now tell me, have you got the concept? All of you? All of you, did you get the concept? So it is a very, very good thing. I think all of you have done pretty well. Now tell me if anyone has any doubt regarding the examination, you can ask me now. Anyone, any doubt? Because I'll don't forget to join my session on 4th December as well. 4th and 7th December. Okay? Don't forget to join it. All right? Because I'll take the class on 4th December and 7th December as well. Sure. Share same trick for under root or cube root. Okay. So don't worry, I'll teach you. Let's say that you're solving 1728, the cube root of 1728. You know that whenever we take the cube of 2, the unit digit arises as 8, and whenever we take the cube of 3, the unit digit arises as 7. Sure, Deepak, sure, I'll definitely do that. Okay, or vice versa. Okay, now you know that if 8 has come at the place of unit, that means the whole number must have a unit of. Yes, you can get, Vinay, you can get. All you need is a determination, discipline, and a planning, and what? Accuracy. All you need is this, a concept as well. So what we will do, we will take these three numbers out and we will be getting the value as 12. Okay, I'll teach you, don't worry about it. Okay, I'll teach you everything. So anything you want to ask? Yes, Vinay. Yes, you can get a good marks. You can, absolutely. Anyone? All you need is a determination, okay, and discipline as well, because banking syllabus is not as vast as you are expecting. Okay, so if banking syllabus is short, yes, the level of the examination is clearly high, but the level of the prelims examination is not high. They just want you to qualify this exam within the given time. Yes, the cutoff is increasing, constantly increasing, but you know that the level of the aspirants is also increasing. So if the level is increasing, that means IBPS will do something to keep check the what cutoff level. So you don't need to worry about it. All right, so I believe this session must be wrap up, guys. Must install our Entri app, and don't forget to join our video classes, and you can watch all our video classes, and you can give a tip mock on the particular app, and the name of this app is what? Entri. So don't forget to join Entri. Yes. So I believe that's the session, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and share it as well. All right, so till then, keep watching Entri. Thank you. Yes, Deepak, I'll share it, don't worry about it. I'll share every intro. Okay, so till then, thank you, bye. Anything else you want to ask? Okay, I think let's wrap this session. So